create a 12-month calendar map using Tableau, we can first filter to a specific year. This will give you a single column of dates in the entire year. Next, we want to split this entire year into 3 columns of 4 months in each row. To do so, let's create a calculated field called column group. We will drag this column group to the columns shelf, converting it to a dimension and discrete. Let's hide the header for these columns. So we have now split the single column into 3 different columns. We can see that the weeks in each month are actually not aligned to a single row. So in order to align them, we need to create a level of detail calculated field called week index. This calculation subtracts the minimum week number at the month level from the week number at the level of visualization to shift the weeks up. So when we convert this to a dimension, and then replacing the week date with the week index over here, this will shift the weeks up. So to get the calendar maps for the 12 months, we will drag a date field to the row shelf and select quarter. Next, we'll uncheck the show header for both the quarter and the week index field. This will give us a 12-month calendar.